Hello everyone, I am Yoyo from Warren Windows and Doors. Today I have come to the scene of Warren Windows and Doors Guangzhou International Building Decoration Fair event. Let's take a look together at the design of Warren Windows and Doors booth this year and the newly debuted products. We're setting off now. Entering inside our pavilion, you can see a rising hot air balloon paired with romantic blooming flowers landscaping, making the design of the entire space extra light and airy, with a great sense of breathability. Moreover, the booth design of Warren Windows and Doors every year stands out exceptionally. Next, let's go together to check out all the new products debuting that we brought to this event. Warren Slim Series Side Press Sliding Window. Breaking through the ceiling shortcomings of traditional sliding windows. So, this sliding window model of ours is equipped with a complete side press hardware system. When closing, the entire hardware system locks and presses tightly inward, allowing sliding windows to achieve the ceiling effect of casement windows as well. Warren Slim Series Triple Track Sliding Door can achieve multi-panel linked opening. With an extra-large opening space, the ventilation and lighting effects are even better. Large glass paired with an ultimate narrow bezel design, blending indoor space and outdoor scenery seamlessly without boundaries. Warren Slim Series Double Track Sliding Door. Flagship grade sliding door system. Large area lighting, transparent without obstructions. Extra large opening space, sliding smoothly and steadily. Suitable for sunrooms, courtyards, balconies, and other spaces, connecting indoors and outdoors without boundaries. Tilt and turn inward opening window. The frame and panel are flush, forming an integrated whole. Clean and sharp lines. High cost performance configuration. Opening the window, we can use an externally mounted screen window. Can meet the comprehensive window needs of mainstream families. In addition to casement opening, it also has tilt-in opening, providing two opening methods. Definitely the top choice for entry-level inward opening windows. Warren Slim Master Push-Out Plus Pro Window and Screen. Flush frame and panel narrow edge design, bringing the visual effect to ultimate minimalism. So, we use a one-touch press-to-open screen window method. The glass window opens outward, achieving a deep fusion of an extremely narrow appearance and hardcore design. Warren Slim Master Push-Out Plus Pro Series Window and Screen. Flush frame and panel design paired with high transparency mesh screening, opening inward. The glass window opens outward. The minimalist appearance design can adapt to diverse home decoration styles, ventilating without blocking the view, preventing mosquitoes without blocking the light. A great window that truly achieves a combination of ventilation, protection, and view. Warren Slim Series Lift and Slide Window. Light operation for large window panels, one-touch slide. Balancing view and convenience, opening and closing easily. The top choice for enclosing balconies. This year, Warren Windows and Doors booth has good looks, great products, and sincerity. If you're also looking for a window and door brand to cooperate with, welcome to visit the booth site of Warren Windows and Doors at booth 18.2, Area D of the Canton Fair Complex. From July 8th to 11th, we will be there or be square.